This 2024 NuCamp Cirrus 620 is a truck camper RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new NuCamp is 12 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 4, refrigerator, microwave, water heater, auxiliary battery, self-contained, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, external shower, smoke detector, leveling jacks, and 17 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this truck camper features front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 NuCamp Cirrus 620 is 1,810 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.